Hi, I'm David Schrag. I'm a member of the ILTA Programming Committee and the liaison to the Technology Solutions Content Coordinating Committee. I'm also the IT director for a small law firm. Several years ago, our firm had a problem. Our client and matter intake system consisted of the originating attorney sending a firm-wide email with the details of the new client or project. Then an admin assistant had to copy and paste that information into 3 or 4 other places. It was a labor-intensive process. The initial submissions were often incomplete, and there was very little consistency in how the intake process was handled. I was asked to come up with a better way. I couldn't find an off-the-shelf product to solve this problem that would suit our budget, and I didn't have any programming skills to develop something from scratch myself. That's when I discovered the world of low-code application development platforms. I found a cloud-based solution that combined on-screen form design, automated and customized email notifications, and web-based report creation, all backed by a relational database behind the scenes. We've had it in place for 6 years now, and I continue to add functionality to it on a regular basis. It was great to have a tool that lets someone like me create a polished and powerful application using a point-and-click, drag-and-drop interface. No need for rows and rows of curly brackets or strings of 8 consecutive open parentheses. And there are lots of tools on the market to choose from, depending on the type of application you're trying to build. But just because it's easy to build something doesn't mean you're going to build the right thing or do it efficiently or securely. What I wish I had 6 years ago was a guide for the application development process, some basic principles to follow, no matter what coding or non-coding tool you're using, and whether you're trying to solve a problem for a global enterprise or a 5-person team, or maybe that one attorney who really wants to be on the cutting edge of automation. That's why I've teamed with my colleague, Damian Priamursky, and the Tech Solutions content team at ILTA to produce a series of instructional videos called Application Development 101, Concepts for Creating and Deploying Low-Code Solutions for Non-Developers. Our instructors, Ritesh Nima and Chris Passo, are experienced application developers at law firms. They're going to introduce you to some of the most important considerations for building software applications, regardless of the platform you're using. They'll discuss topics like how to identify problems with the status quo and seek input from key stakeholders, how to determine a budget and timeline and get it approved, how to choose the right tools for the job, how to run internal quality assurance and get feedback from beta testers, how to deploy the new application for optimal user adoption. In our first video, Chris and Ritesh will introduce themselves and provide a curriculum overview. We'll follow that up with deeper dives into each topic, all in bite-sized chunks, no more than about 10 minutes each. So whether you're just starting out with low-code application development, or if you've already got a project or two under your belt and you're wondering how they might have gone better, we think you'll find this course valuable. Watch this space for our next video coming soon.